Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation. Make sure you've already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. Let's get started. Click on Create New Virtual Machine and select Typical, Recommended option. Then click the Next button. Select I will install the operating system later and click Next. Select Microsoft Windows as the guest operating system. Then scroll down and choose Windows 11. Make sure the correct version is selected and click Next to continue with the installation. Now you can change the name of your virtual machine to anything you like. Next, click Browse and choose the location where you want to save the Windows 11 virtual machine files. After selecting the folder, make sure everything looks correct. Then click Next to continue with the setup. I recommend selecting Encrypt all files for this virtual machine. This helps protect your virtual machine files and adds an extra layer of security. After enabling this option, next, enter a strong password to encrypt your Windows virtual machine. Confirm the password, make sure you remember it because you'll need it to access the virtual machine later, and then click Next to continue. I recommend setting the virtual machine disk size to 100 gigabytes. This gives you enough storage space to install Windows 11, install new software, and store your files easily without running out of space in the future. To complete the process, click Customize Hardware. Then you can change the virtual machine settings according to your requirements. Please follow my steps carefully to adjust the hardware settings, such as memory, processor, and other options. After completing the configuration, click Finish to create your Windows 11 virtual machine. Now you are ready to create your Windows 11 virtual machine on VMware Workstation successfully. Thank you for watching, and let's continue with the installation in the next part.